In this video, we will review the process for configuring PingOne to enable FIDO2 registration and authentication to support passwordless login for user access to the PingOne app portal as well as to individual applications. From within your PingOne admin console, select the environment to enable FIDO2 and click Manage Environment. Expand the authentication option on the main menu, then click Authentication. Any existing authentication policies will be displayed. Let's create a new policy by clicking the Add Policy button. Provide a recognizable name for this policy, and under Type, select PingID Authentication. Next, click the Configure Now link, save your policy, and you'll be redirected to PingID. While most of the default settings are appropriate, review the enrollment policies. The devices policies, other backup authentication methods, such as the PingID mobile app. Ensure that security key and FIDO2 biometrics options are all selected under alternate methods. All of these configuration options may be modified at any time, and these configuration settings are automatically saved. Return to the PingOne admin console and select Getting Started at the top of the main menu. Click the button for Customize Authentication, then select the passwordless option at the bottom of the form. Once again, click the button to customize authentication, then click the link for Manage Policies for a single application. Select the application where you wish to enforce passwordless authentication, clicking Edit Profile. On the Policies button, scroll down and select Passwordless or the name that you associated with this policy. Then finally save this configuration. We can very easily test this configuration by clicking Getting Started from the main menu, then launch the application portal. You'll notice the new Sign On with Biometrics option is displayed on the login adapter for PingOne. However, we have not yet enrolled our FIDO2 authenticator. Therefore, log in with your username and password and follow the prompts from PingID to enroll your device. Select the security key option at the bottom of the dialog. Again, select the security key option, click Next, then click OK on the following two dialogues. Then enter the security key PIN and click OK. Now touch your iShield key and click OK once you've confirmed that the passkey is saved. Now we'll perform passwordless authentication using our newly registered iShield Key Pro. Log out, return to the login screen, and click the button to sign on with biometrics. Select the security key option, then click Next. Provide the PIN and click OK, then touch your security key. Now, when our application portal loads, let's double-click the application we set up for passwordless re-authentication. Open the application and follow the prompts as you are now familiar. If a PIN has not been set on your iShield security key, you may create the PIN during device registration. Again, authenticate using your username and password and follow the PingID prompts. Select the security key icon at the bottom, followed by the security key option on the adapter. Follow the prompts, supply a PIN, confirm your PIN and click OK, then finally touch your security key. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Swissbit looks forward to facilitating your passwordless journey.